Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at repairing a set of Atari paddles. These are for the 2600. The paddles here, one of the buttons is jammed on them, and I've got another set here whereas the case is damaged beyond repair. So what we're going to do is make one good pair out of the two of these. As you can see, even the parts the screws go into to hold the case together have broken off, so what we're going to do is swap out the internals of this one into one of the ones with a good case on it and hopefully get a working set. So let's go ahead and do that. Before I go ahead and take these apart, I'd like to give a shout out to this week's sponsor, PCBWay. This video is sponsored by our friends over at PCBWay. They manufacture PCBs to your specification with a fast turnaround and very reasonable prices. It doesn't matter if it's one PCB you're after or hundreds, PCBWay will cater to your needs. Also, don't forget to check out the shared projects section. It's a vast community. You can either upload your own or browse thousands already in the community. To top it all off, PCBWay are offering a $5 welcome bonus. Please check out the link below in the description. There's really not much to these paddles. There's only two screws in the back holding the case together. So we'll remove them. And the case just pops open like that. And I believe this just pulls off. Like so. We also have a nut here that holds the internals to the case, so we'll remove that as well. That just pops through like so. So there we have the good case. As you can see, we have got the parts are there for the screws to tighten and hold the case together, so we'll use that. It's really the switch we're going to swap out in this one. As you can see, these are just kind of spade connectors, so they should just pull out like so. And that's a faulty switch. On the one we're taking the switch from, the spades are actually soldered to this, so what I'll do is I'll desolder that and swap the switch over. Old solder, it's not exactly the easiest stuff to remove, so I don't want to end up melting this switch, so what I think I'll do is I'll actually just cut these wires off and solder the other cables onto it, just to prevent any damage from happening. Now what I'll do is I'll prepare these wires. And now I'll tin them. So now that we've tinned the wires, we'll solder that to the switch. It's not the prettiest soldering job, but it seems to be holding okay. So what we'll do now is we'll go back and reassemble the paddles. Not forgetting putting that little clip on first. Now we'll tighten the nut in. So we place the switch, there's a little bit of plastic there that stops the switch from moving back, so when you're placing the switch in, just make sure it's right against there so there's not much movement in it. And then pop the button back on. There we are. And now we'll put the case back together. Again, there were only 2 screws holding the case together. I'll actually use one of the other screws, it's in better condition, that's a bit chewed, that one. And now we just pop the top of it back on. push down. There we have it. So there we have a good set of paddles out of 2 broken sets. What I'll do is I'll keep the other set I've taken apart for spares. Maybe I might need a spare cable or case, so I'll keep them for that. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you back for the next video. Thank you, bye bye.